Take a moment. Slow your breath. Let everything else fade. This time is for you. Positive affirmations are not about pretending life is perfect. They are about choosing what you feed your mind when life feels heavy. Your mind listens to what you repeat, and what you repeat slowly becomes your inner reality. So listen carefully. I am allowed to grow at my own pace. I do not rush my journey. I trust the process unfolding in my life. I am stronger than the doubts that visit my mind. I am calmer than the chaos around me. I am capable of handling what today brings. I release the pressure to be perfect. Progress is enough. Effort is enough. Every challenge I face is shaping resilience within me. Every delay is teaching patience. Every setback is building strength. I choose focus over fear. I choose discipline over distraction. I choose consistency over comfort. I am not defined by my past mistakes. I am defined by the choices I make today. I speak to myself with respect. I replace self-criticism with self-understanding. I give myself permission to learn and improve. Each day, I am becoming more confident, quietly, not loudly, not instantly, but steadily. I trust myself to show up, even when motivation fades. I trust myself to keep going, even when progress feels slow. I am building habits that support my future. I am creating a life that aligns with my values. When fear appears, I acknowledge it and move forward anyway. When doubt speaks, I respond with action. I am grounded in the present moment. I do not carry yesterday's weight into today. I breathe in clarity. I breathe out tension. I am calm under pressure. I am focused in uncertainty. I am stable in change. I trust that what is meant for me will come at the right time. I stay patient without giving up. I am becoming disciplined without being harsh, strong without being rigid, focused without being stressed. My effort matters, even when no one sees it. My consistency is shaping results beyond what I can see right now. I forgive myself for the days I felt weak. I honor myself for the days I kept going. I am learning to rest without guilt, to work without fear, to grow without rushing. I accept where I am while committing to where I am going. Remember this: affirmations are not magic words. They are directions. Every word you speak to yourself becomes a path. Choose words that heal, not harm. Choose patience over pressure. Choose consistency over doubt. Even on the days when you feel invisible, your effort is still working in silence. Growth does not announce itself. It happens quietly, patiently, one small decision at a time. Trust that the version of you are becoming will thank you for not giving up today. Say these words, then live them. Carry them into your day. Return to them when your mind feels heavy. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Stay kind to yourself. This is not about becoming someone else. This is about becoming who you already are.